welcome to my YouTube channel for ServiceNow hacks. Let's get started. In this video, the topic which I'm picking is the multiple ways of recovering the data which are deleted or within the script when you are updating, or if you deleted the record, or if you updated the record, how to roll back that changes. So let's get started. I will just open the incident to showcase the demo. And I'll also open the background script. So I'll take the record for the caller Joy employee. So see, now for this caller, we have 12 records with different priority. And I want to update all this record with the priority to P3. So let's update that priority from the background script. So whenever you open the background script, if you want to run any script, or while if you want to test anything from the background script, ensure you have tick mark this roll record for rollback. So this option will give you like whatever the script you execute from the background script. So that will have an option of rollback also, that if something wrong you updated or something it went into the loop and it has updated multiple records instead of the record, which has to be updated, or sometimes we miss the, add encoded query and the query is not running properly, so that it has taken the entire incident details and, it is updating, right? That time, if you want to roll back, so you have to enable the record for rollback feature. This should not be unticked. This should always be ticked whenever you use a background script. This is the first feature you have to enable. So now I have taken the Joy employee caller and I'm just running the script. I'm just updating the priority to P3. So now if you reload, see all has P1, P2, P3, everything is there. If you reload, see all has been updated to P3. Suppose now if you feel, okay, after the update, if you feel that no, this, some incident has to be excluded, or you updated these details wrongly, then the first step you have to go to a script execution summary history. See, this is the script execution history. Open this record. This is the script which I ran just now. See, this is the script I have executed, and it will also show you affected records. See, it has updated the SLA incident, everything, right? Results are shown. If you feel you want to roll back, if this has been updated by mistakenly, the first step is always to enable the record for rollback, then go for script execution history, right? And roll back this script execution. And you have to click on yes. You have to type yes and click on OK. This will recover the entire script execution, whatever it has performed within that script action, right? Now, if you reload this incident, see all has come back to the normal, like some were P1, some were P3, P2, right? So this is the simple example I have shown you. Sometimes what happens, we might be deleting the records also. Like I just delete this record so that so I'm via this script, I'm deleting this record, complete incident record now. And if I run the script, see complete records has been deleted. If you reload, no incident details, nothing, right? So by mistakenly, if you deleted, so that is the best feature you can enable. Go to execution history and go to this record and roll back this. So this is the ServiceNow out of the box feature. So whenever you mistakenly updated something in production or in any testing, when you want to do and you want to roll back it, you just go to roll back and do this. Now if you reload this incident, see all the incident has been rolled back. This is the first feature via background script, right? So Via background script, we know how to roll back it, the updates, whatever you have done, or the delete, whatever you have done. Similar way, let's test this for the fixed script. Sometimes we will also create a fixed script which will run and execute for the first time, right? I'll just create a fixed script. See, I've added this script. So the first thing what you need to do is whenever you created any fixed script, you have to go to form layout and add this field record for rollback. So this will enable you record execution of the script so that it may be optionally reverted if desired. So if you want to roll back the fixed script, if any script has executed and that has caused another issues and you want to roll back it and test it out, then first step is you have to check this mark. Then only ServiceNow will save this execution record for the rollback. Otherwise, it will not save. If you uncheck, it will. And in the form, if you are not able to see the field, just go to form design, configure form design, and add this field. Okay. So I've already added this field now. And also I have run the, I have taken the script for executing this, for P3. Now we have an incident with P1, P2, P3, right? So I'll just run this. See, now the execution is done. If you close it and if you reload the incident, see all are P3 updated to P3. Now, if you want to roll back this, here you will not get anything. There is a table called sys rollback context. This is only for the fixed script which are available. You have to go to sys rollback context is the table, right? So this is the table you have taken. Add a created field is already here. We'll just descending with the created. See, this is the backup which I have, which I executed just now. So fixed script name, it will show you update joy employee for record P3, right? So if you want to roll back, then you can just click on roll back, click on yes, and okay. See, this has rolled back the fixed script execution, which has made just now, right? The table name is this rollback context. So everything will be saved in the backup mode. So I'll also tell you how much time it will save from ServiceNow end, right? And if you reload the incident form now, see all went back to normal. So similar way, you can also do the rollback from the fixed script, whichever the script has execution. Sometimes we use a larger script in the fixed script for one-time run, and if that causes any issue, you can, roll back it. But the best practice always is to enable this record for rollback within the fixed script. This is the second option which I've shown you. The third option is, suppose we have the table and you have deleted this entire list record. I have taken it for joy employee again. So I have deleted it. I have deleted, I have selected to update something by mistakenly if I delete, right? See, I have deleted this entire record. But now you feel that, okay, you mistakenly deleted some record and you want to, roll back that changes. How will you do this? The third option which I'm showing is if it is not via script, right? You just went on UI action and deleted it. So there is an option for delete recovery. So this is the option under rollback and recovery. We have an option of delete recovery. Open this and you check with the created datetime latest one. Open this. See, this will show you the URL also, what filter you have taken, how much record you have deleted. See, everything it will show you, which and all data you have deleted, right? And you want to roll back this completely, then click on roll back. This is the UI action and click on yes and okay. See, this has executed and all the executions are succeed and rollback has been completely done. Now, if you go to incidents and reload, see all the incident has been come. And also if you open this, So the cascade deletion, like if there is a SLA affected, say, everything will be rolled back in this, and also the entire work note activities, right? So entire things are recovered from the delete recovery. Delete recovery is the third option if you have deleted the data from any table. So every data table will be saved in this deleted recovery, and the auditing has to be enabled for that. So that is the third option which I've shown. Next delete recovery option which I'm showing is, suppose you have opened this record. This is the incident 31, and also filter with this. See, we have incident 31 record, right? And this is the one, and I have deleted from here. When I deleted from here, you see there are some activities updated. Task definitions are there, right? You deleted this record. See, now 31 is completely gone. But later you feel that you want to roll back that particular record. Either you can use delete recovery, or you can also use deleted record. Under system definition, we have an option of deleted record. So this option will show you particularly for a particular record if you want to roll back. See, we have an option of incident 31, right? If you open this, you have to click on this undelete with related. So click on this undelete with related. Yes. So basically this undelete with related means restore the deleted records and all its related changes. Cascade delete, whatever happened, everything will be rolled back. So once you click on OK, see, recovery is done now. And once you see this deleted record also, that 31 has gone because that is already rolled back. Now if you go back to incident and see 31 is rolled back again. So this is the fourth option where you can roll back the deleted record if you have done it mistakenly, right? The fifth option, like we also have an option that within the list, you see there are 12 records now. Within the list, we go to data management and delete all with the preview. Delete all or update all, any which way. If you want to update, I have selected caller is Joe employee, and I'm just executing this. This is a data management delete job. This is ServiceNow one more option, right, for deleting the table record. See, this is running, and if you check the execution results, see, this has given the data management delete job, and this has deleted my entire data, whatever I have given for incident. Now, if you go back to incident and filter with caller, see, no tickets are available because data management has been executed. So I'll close all this. Now you want to roll back it. You have deleted from the ServiceNow, delete data management process, and you want to roll back it. How will you do that? So for that, we have a table that sys dm delete. Sys underscore dm underscore delete dot list. So if you open, it will show you the recent delete execution. For this, rollback will automatically take from the ServiceNow. So you will be able to see what and all data has been deleted, and you can just click on the rollback, and this will roll back the entire deletion which has been done from the system, right? So now the execution is done, and if you go back to incident and reload, see all the 12 records which were deleted has come. So ServiceNow has different ways of deleting the data. So for that, different ways of rollbacking the data also. So the first one is script execution history, where you can delete it. Within the fixed script, you can go and delete your records, and also for rollbacking is excessive rollback context. Then you can also use the delete recovery. delete recovery option is there for recovering the entire list record which are deleted. Deleted records are there, which you can use it for and that particular record if you want to roll back, and also sysdm delete within the data management delete jobs, right? So these all are the options which we have to roll back the details. Now, what is the time period for rollbacking it, right? If you delete any record, the cascade information, like within the incident, you have a task SLAs, affected CIs, or any other information, right? The cascade details will be saved only for 7 days. If you want to complete, do the recovery, then you have to do within 7 days. But the now actual data, actual record like incident records or the actual any record will be saved in ServiceNow till 28 days. And after 28 days, there is a cleanup job which will erase that entire deleted records from the rollback also. So you cannot roll back after 28 days. If you want to recover complete details along with cascade information, cascade related records, then 7 days. Within 7 days, you have to recover it. If you don't want that and you want to recover only the main record, then it's a 28 days. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it. Thank you all.